Welcome to the Cellix video channel. In this video we'll be looking at program mode, defining a custom flow profile and using the Waveform editor. This is used to program a pump with a custom flow profile in order to have precise control of the flow rates and duration of a certain experiment. Click on the editor button to open the Waveform editor. This Waveform editor allows you to create a custom flow profile for your pump or pumps. You'll see a graph of amplitude over time which will describe your flow. You have 4 elements that you can use: constant flow, ramp, pulse wave, and sine wave. Here I'm adding a constant flow. In this window, you can adjust the flow rate and duration of the constant flow. Next, I'll add a ramp. In this window, you can set the initial flow rate, the final flow rate, and the duration of the ramp. Next, I'll add a pulse wave. In this window, you can set the max flow rate and the minimum flow rate. You can set the length of the period and the number of repetitions. You can also set the duty cycle. This allows you to adjust the timings of the maximum flow rate and the minimum flow rate in terms of a ratio. Next, I'll add a sine flow. In this window, you can adjust the amplitude of your sine flow, as well as the period and number of repetitions. The phase describes the starting angle of the sine wave, or visually, just moving it left or right along the time axis. So for example, you could start at the peak or the trough of the wave. The offset describes the starting position of the center of the sine wave. Once you have your custom flow profile, you can save it or click on elements to rearrange them or to edit them further. For later use, you can click Open to retrieve your saved custom flows. If you want to learn more about our microfluidic solutions, check out our website at wearecellix.com or contact us using the info on screen or in the description below.